I don't call as often as I should, probably not as often as I said I would. But don't you be thinking that I don't miss you too, 'cause I do. It'll always be home. I don't see you as often as I'd like to. My life has taken me away from you, but you're always in my thoughts. I don't say as often as I ought to, but I'm out here trying to make it on my own. Well, all I am is what you made for me, a result of the lessons that taught me how to be all that I could, without them I doubt that I would be standing here grateful for what I carry in my blood. I'm sure it's hard for you to understand, but this ain't something that I had planned. It's the love that you show that allows me to go and prosper out here far from my homeland. You never know how much it means, however little it seems, to know you're always there and your only care is I'm happy. Well, all I am is what you made for me, a result of the lessons that taught me how to be all that I could, without them I doubt that I would be standing here grateful for what I carry in my blood. Well, all I am is what you made for me, a result of the lessons that taught me how to be all that I could, without them I doubt that I would be standing here grateful for what I carry in my blood. Be standing here grateful for what I carry in my blood. told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. that you're back in town, and I've been wishing you'd come around. 'Cause I remember how the lights would shine, shimmering in your eyes when you looked at me. Well, there's a chill